Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add timestamps to your videos on CapCut PC. So to do so, I am just going to add a video here. I'm going to go to text, I'm going to select text template, and I'm going to select this arrow right here, and I'm going to find the time text template. I'm going to then select this one, and I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the video. So right now I'm just going to type in the current time, 6:04. I don't think I need to add a PM, right? Like people know, but just for fun. What's the date today? This is June 26, 2024. You can also change the font if you'd like to here in this section below, and you can also delete the shadow if you don't want it, but I think I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow here so you can see it, and I'm just going to make it smaller. I'm just going to place it to the left side here. Maybe you can see it a little bit better on this side actually. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!